Welcome to a new video of our YouTube channel MCQ Shankar, and my name is Shankar. Today we are continuing the part 4 of current affairs series, and current affairs is most important for all competitive exams like UPSC, SSC and other exams. So very important. Let's move. Number 1. Which badminton player won gold medal for BWF Swiss Open Super 300 tournament? Option A, Caroline Marin. Option B, Saina Nehwal. Option C, PV Sindhu. Option D, Naomi Osaka. Right answer, option A, Caroline Marin. She is a player from Spain and she defeated PV Sindhu in finals. Okay. Question number 2. As per the Information Technology Rules 2021, that is its official name, Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code, digital platforms will have to provide required information within how many hours? Option A, 48 hours. Option B, 24 hours. Option C, 12 hours. Option C, 72 hours. The right answer, option D, 72 hours. And question number 3. What does CT value indicates in RT-PCR examination? Option A, computer topography. Option B, computer tomography. Option C, cerebral typography. Option D, cycle threshold. And the right answer, option D, cycle threshold. That is, we know this value, that is CT, is generated from the result of the RT-PCR test. That means in the test we extract the RNA from our collected swab and extracted from this RNA to a DNA, and we are amplifying this DNA in cycles, at which moment the presence of the virus is detected. That is known as the CT value, that is a cycle threshold. That is, we have to find out the presence of this virus at a stage of this amplifying, and this cycle threshold is known as this CT value. Okay, it's clear to you. Okay. And the 4th question. Priyanka Mohel from Maharashtra became the first Indian woman to scale Mount Annapurna. It is located in which country? Option A, Nepal. Option B, India. Option C, China. And option D, Bhutan. The right answer, option A, Nepal. And question number 5. World Economic Outlook is an annual flagship report of which organization? Option A, International Monetary Fund. Option B, Asian Development Bank. Option C, World Bank. And option D, UNDP. The right answer, option A, International Monetary Fund, that is IMF. And question number 6. Mithali Express connects Dhaka with which Indian city? Option A, New Jalpaiguri. Option B, Gangtok. Option C, Guwahati. Option D, Kolkata. Right answer, option A, New Jalpaiguri. And question number 7. What is the name of the farthest gamma ray emitting galaxy that has been discovered recently? Option A, Skyway. Option B, Milky Line. Option C, Andromeda. Option D, Narrow Line Seyfert 1. And the right answer is option D. Narrow Line Seyfert 1 is the farthest gamma ray emitting galaxy which was discovered recently. Okay. And question number 8. Sartak is an implementation plan related to which policy? Option A, New Education Policy. Option B, Agriculture Laws. Option C, Public Sector Enterprise Policy. Option D, Environment Impact Assessment. Right answer, option A, New Education Policy. And question number 9. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India? Option A, Injeti Srinivas. Option B, Ajay Kumar Bella. Option C, Prasanna Chandra. Option D, Sushil Chandra. Right answer, option D, Sushil Chandra. And the last question, 10th one. Which institution released a report titled My Body is My Own? The option A, World Bank. Option B, UN Women. Option C, UNFPA. Option D, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The right answer is option C, UNFPA, that is United Nations Population Fund. And this is our last question. We are winding up this video. If you like this, please thumbs up and share it to your friends, and subscribe the channel for more videos and enable the bell icon. Thank you.